What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to do something super easy. You saw the title. I'm just going to cook a frozen pizza on the griddle and see how it turns out. I went and got our favorite pizza, so come on in, let's check that out. I got the griddle warming up right now and let's get it going. So here's the pizza that we got, Eastside Cafe white sausage. And that's what it looks like. This is the house favorite right here, so let's go ahead and just put it right down on the griddle. All right, I'm just gonna put this right here. Now, I don't want to I'm gonna put a cover over it eventually, but I don't want to do that yet because I don't want the top to get done way before the crust is. So I just got it sitting on here right now. We're at about 380-ish. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this go for a few minutes. I'm gonna put a timer on. I'm gonna see how long this actually takes to full cook. And yeah, we're gonna come back in like 5 minutes, see how the bottom of that crust is looking, and then I'll let you know. So it's been 5 minutes. I was just rotating the pizza a little bit, just making sure we're getting an even heat over the whole thing. But as you can see, it's still real flimsy, so we're just gonna leave it like that. Probably another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put the cover on it and see how we look. So there's still 30 seconds left on that timer. I'm gonna turn that off because this is actually cooking up. This is a pretty thin crust, so it's actually cooking up pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put that over there. I mean, the cheese and stuff is already melting. So let's go ahead and just put that over there. Probably only a minute, and then boom, we're ready to go. So I've had it covered for about 3 minutes, and everything is nice and melted. So what I'm gonna do, I have these two burners off. These two are now on low. Let's see what temp we're on over here. We got about 380 over here. So I'm gonna move it back. See how nice and firm it is now? So now I'm gonna move it back in the hotter area. Cover it back up because I want that cheese on top to get a little browning going on. And then it's golden. Alright, so this, I mean, it looks done to me. I feel like if I leave it on too much longer, that crust is gonna just way overcook. So what I'm gonna do, we'll go over here to the cooler side. Because we were at 370 something, and now over here we're at 250-ish, like 200 on the side. So I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, let that cheese set up a little bit, and then we're gonna cut it, try it out. All right, this thing is looking good, I think. So we're gonna bring you in, show you what we're looking like, and then gonna cut it up, get our eat on. All right, so now, you see what we're looking at. I mean, look at that. That looks so good. We're gonna move it over here for just a couple minutes, let that cheese kind of set up a little more, and then we're gonna cut it, see what we get. All right, let's give this a try. I mean, it's looking real good. Got a nice browning on that crust. Ooh, baby, this is our favorite pizza. If you can find this, you should try and get some. Eastside Cafe white sausage pizza, so good. A little hot. Mmm. That's delicious. I'm gonna get a little hot sauce. Man, this is good. Perfect, simple. Just put it on there, and don't forget about it, but just put it on there, let it do its thing. You don't have to dirty up your griddle all crazy. Good for camping. I've actually seen people use a torch to cook the top of the pizza, so it like gets some browning action going on. If you leave it on long like I did, it'll start to do it itself, but it takes a kind of a while. And if you don't like it nice and crusty like I do, then you might want to go that route. But this is delicious. Really easy to do. Nice and good. And that's all I got, guys. Just wanted to do a quick little pizza, and smash that thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Got a long list of stuff growing from people emailing me and putting stuff in descriptions, so let me know if there's something you want me to add. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.